It tubed, honey. Tubing mascara, she tubes. Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro. Girl, there's no outro. It's just this ho. Okay, so this is just a mishmash of things that I wanted to talk about. Things that you've asked me about that probably wouldn't take up a whole video, but you know, I want to go over just a few things. Now, I have switched out of my handbag of the day, and I only did that because we went to the movies, and you know how when you go to the movies, you have to have a big enough bag. How much candy can she eat? But yeah, for the family to have packs of candy because it's $75 for a small box of Raisinets at the box office. It really is so expensive to buy candy. But anyway, I grabbed this one today, which is my daughter's diaper bag that I bought her with the first baby. She's getting ready to have her second baby. I dare say she'll want this one back, but I have been using it. So yeah, we took all of my stuff out, and it even fits. I mean, this fits everything. I can even put my makeup case in here. So that is why I have moved temporarily for the day out of Loewe. Hello, Loewe. This bag. Oh my God. I know. I can't stop. Okay. Anyway, some business to deal with. Yes, if you did not know, I did a vlog sale video. I will have all of that linked below, the stuff that I'm still selling. I actually sold a couple of bags, not much, but if you want to see that, I just did that this week. Now, let's see. I just have some, you know, it's just a mashup of things we're going to talk about today, but we did go to Ulta because where the movie theater is that we go to, they do have an Ulta. I bought some of that tubing mascara someone was talking about on my live. Is it Tatcha? I can't remember who, but anyway, Tarte. It was Tarte. Aha! I knew it would come to me. I thought that someone was saying that Benefit had some, but the little Benefit guy said, no, we don't have that yet, but there is some that people are buying a lot of, and it's from Tarte. So I'm hoping that that'll alleviate the problem with the panda or raccoon eyes when I try to wash my face at night after I've had a little bit of mascara. But man, it really did. It tubed. Honey, tubing mascara, she tubes. And I bought this again in Amethyst. It is Winky Lux Balm or Hydrating. This one's called Winky Lux pH Lip Balm. God, it's written so weird. Yeah, just Lip Balm pH. But I bought one that was in a silver tube that I keep. Aren't they? The tube is so cute. I have a toy that's like this. I am not lying, girl. I have a, you know what, toy that looks like this. It doesn't have a battery. Well, yeah, it does have a battery, but it's a little thing like a little cord, and it's got a little. Okay, I should not have told y'all that, but I'm just being honest. But anyway, look how cute. The other one that I had was just like a clear, and then it went on to like pink, but this one is like a purpley sparkles, and I wanted to put it on because I just lined my lips. I didn't really put anything on today. I just thought, oh my God, this stuff. So it's supposed to like react to you and like do its thing. Did you guys hear my TMJ? Yeah, I have horrible TMJ. Only things that I have wrong with me, you know, okay, there's a lot. I'm crazy. Yeah, I'm overly sexual, innuendo wise, but medically, TMJ and kidney stone disease. That's really, and I'm overweight, but you know, other than that, she's great. I'm gonna live to be 100. Okay, so I hope not. I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, it turns a little pinky purplish. I guess it turns different colors on everybody. I don't know. But I also bought this tubing mascara, this, and then I bought this Hello Kitty macaron lip balm, which Jessie would love this. You know, Jessie style, she loves Hello Kitty stuff. And I don't know, it's just so cute. It reminded me of like a yo-yo and a cookie, and those are two things out of my childhood that I just love. I still love today. But I just thought this was the cutest little friggin' thing. Okay, anyway, just something else to go in my bag. All right, so those are the things that I bought from Ulta. Oh, and guys, we went to Marshall's. If you guys, seriously, look at this. Marshall's, it's $5.99 right now. This is that cracked heel balm. I'll link it for you, but on Amazon, it's like 20 bucks. But at Walmart, I found a travel size at Walmart, and I found this big one. Ooh, girl, she found a big one. No, seriously, I found this big one at Marshall's today for $5.99. So it's getting ready to be flip-flop season and thong season if you're down under, you know, because they call flip-flops thongs. My mom called flip-flops thongs. And slide season, it's sandal season coming up. So get those heels ready, girl. And, you know, sometime pretty soon I'm going to have to shave my legs. I don't know what kind of weed whacker I'm going to find to do that, but whew, she's thick. I'm talking about my leg hair. Thick, real thick. Okay, so I do have an unboxing for you that I bought from Nordstrom Rack. The girls, really seriously, we are all just codependent now. All of, you know, Dawn, Autumn, Yota, Cami, Devin, Kevin, Winnie, like, we're just all codependent gals. And, you know, someone will say, I can't buy anything, guys. I can't buy anything. And then somebody will go, but look at this. And then link to. So that's what happened. That's exactly what happened. But this is what I just sold one of. I actually sold my Longchamp bag that I had in my sale. This is another piece of Longchamp. Why? Why? Help me. I think this is Dawn's fault. I want to blame her. We'll leave Dawn alone. She's been having it rough this week, so. Okay, it comes in your cute little Longchamp box. Longchamp. Oh my God, girl. It's got a little teeny tiny dust bag. We love a teeny tiny dust bag, which means there's a teeny tiny bag in there. Be still my beating friggin' heart. What? Yeah. Yes. I was deep in thought there because there is a woman who I actually just blocked who's left me a few comments that are quite mean and ugly, but I know one sticks out in particular when I open something small and tiny. One, it's that if I find you, I'm gonna beat your ass. No, I'm kidding. One is that she hates my useless micro bag collection. I know what is her thing that she said on one? Another micro bag that you'll never use. Great. You know, so she left some really horrible messages last week and I was like, you know what, Bish? We're done. You and I have parted ways. Sayonara, bitch. But anyway, I thought this was so friggin' cute. Look how... Is it practical? No, ma'am. None of my bags really are, but it is so adorable. And hold on now. Hold the freaking phone. It's got a strap on. I mean, why? We don't know why. We just know we love it. I am so freaking happy about this. How can it be wrong if loving this stuff is so right? It feels so right. It makes me feel so good. That's what I'm trying to say. It just really does. I don't know. And you guys know my mini bags have a purpose. Biznatch. They really entertain everybody at Christmas on a Christmas tree. So screw you. Hey girl, whenever you take over my finances, go ahead and start telling me what to spend it on. Otherwise, can you? I got to like 10 comments from this lady. I was finally like, okay. I don't know, something in the air this week. People being hateful and nasty. But look how stinking cute. Okay, hold on. It won't really, you know. It's a boob moment. It's a titty bag for sure. I don't want to stand up and move it. Yeah, she comes right under the old right brusticle. But shouldering is perfect. I know, it makes no sense, but I love it. It will fit cards, it will fit money, and it will fit my little Winky Lux lip balm. So how about that for practicality? I love it. It's kind of like an olive drab color, kind of a khaki something. Ooh, I love it. Like army green. Yeah, I don't know. All right, some other handbag updates. I'm gonna trash this room up just like it was, and then I'm gonna be so upset. This bag. Do we remember how it was missing the little stone right here? Okay, so we've replaced that. All of the stones are intact, and if I'm being honest, again, this one is not Swarovski. It's a glass one that I got from like Amazon a long time ago in a pack when I did those boots, remember? So I just told Bill, I was like, do me a favor. We've got to get the little thing. And I found the right size. It's the exact size, but it does look, you can tell, you can see that it's a little cloudy. So at some point, I vow if I ever go to Charlotte or wherever the closest, I don't even know if Charlotte has a Prada. I'm sure they do. But the closest one, I am going to have to take it in and say, you know, girl, can you repair this? I don't know what the repair policy is, but I'm sure if y'all know, just comment down below. I like to have information that I don't know anything about, and I'll just tell you, I don't know. I did contact them when this one fell off. I noticed it, and they sent me back a nice email that said, hey, we can't do it by mail. You have to take it into the store, or you can call the store where you purchase. The thing is, I purchased this from StockX, so I didn't purchase it from a store, and I didn't get original receipt. So I don't know if that's a thing with them. I'm sure it's not, because it's a defect. It's like, one of the stones fell off, dude. One of the Swarovski crystals fell off. That's not my fault. Like, I didn't like beat and bang the bag around. I babied this bag. So anyhow, at some point, whenever, I know I never go anywhere, but if we ever do, fingers crossed, go to Vegas or anywhere that has a Prada boutique, I probably could send this to my cousin. I'd be kind of leery about sending it through the mail and just, you know, but I could send it to her, and she could, because she gets things done. Let me tell you, they'll bedazzle the whole bag and send home some extra crystals with her, I guarantee you, because she's that girl. But yeah, they did say you could call and they would send a kit, and I could, but I wasn't sure how that all that worked without original purchase receipt. And you know, every store is different. Now, if this was Louis Vuitton, I wouldn't have no qualms. I'd contact Becca and it would already been done. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's an update on the Prada bag. So Jackie has been asking me to like compare the two, my Simbano crystal bag, which is substantially heavier for some reason. I think the chain might be in here, than the Prada bag. Well, the difference between the two is about $2,300. You can get this bag for around $100 with my link and my promo code. And this bag, sadly, is in the $2,000 and some odd dollar range now. I'm sure of it. So those are the biggest differences. As far as what it holds, I've done the test. This holds way more than this because, frankly, I'm too scared to stuff the crap out of this. So I won't ever overload this bag. So this, she carries a whole lot more. But you can see the difference between the two. This one's shorter. I think it has just as much pizzazz and sparkle. If you don't like the Simbano on the front, girl, you can carry it this way. You can crossbody this. This one you cannot crossbody. This is just a hand carry, or if you're small, girl, you can get it under the armpit, but you know, it doesn't look good on me like that. So what I do is I just wrist carry this, or like, you know, on my elbow or down by my side. But yeah, this one does have a crossbody strap, as you can see here. And you can actually put all kinds of different straps with this one. It's silver hardware to match the silver. I have a gold one as well. But yeah, the way that you get into this bag, you just unsnap and, you know, it's a magnetic. This one is just a zipper closure too, just one zipper. But yeah, you can see the thickness on this one, and girl, we do love a thick, oh girl, yes we do. We love us a thick bag around here, but yes, this queen is way thicker. She's skinny legend, okay? So this just fits more. It's like a friggin' clown car. I'm not lying. You can get everything but the kitchen sink, and I'm not just whistling Dixie on this. This one fits a lot. So those are the comparisons that I have basically on the two bags. It's just a money game, really. This one's a lot more expensive and broke my heart when a little crystal fell off. This one won't break my heart as bad. I'll be sad, but you know, I won't be sad $2,000 worth. You get what I'm saying? I won't be crying $2,000 tears. Okay, update on this badass little bag that I bought right around Christmas. So it did not come with the crazy weird strap. The strap on is weird that goes with this. It's like a braided leather and metal chain. Yeah, I didn't know that going in. I didn't even think about it because I was so like starstruck, like, I'm gonna get this bag. So I went on eBay and I ordered this strap, which I think is much better. Now, is this an authentic strap? She's not. I want to say I paid like between $50 and $60 for this. Just some, I guess it's a Chinese seller on eBay. I'll link the guy if he's still around. But yeah, she's not the one. But I could not afford, I tried to look for one just like this. And if I found them, they were all to hell, or or they wanted $1,000. And I was like, I've already spent so much money on this bag. There's no effing way. I can't, you know, I can't do it. So I did find this guy. I was lucky to find him, I guess, and didn't really know how it was going to work out, but it looks fine. The glazing's fine. It's okay. I don't really condone, you know, bakery of any kind. I really don't. I mean, I don't think that's a thing, but this was just such a good deal. I took a chance on it and I was like, probably shouldn't do this, but I did. But anyway, so, because everybody kept saying, like, you should probably get a monogram strap. And I mean to tell you, I looked and looked. I was even going to put one on Fashion File and it was ragged out, man. And they were the thin ones, that the kind that come with the push-up Matisse. So finding, I really wanted a thicker, girl, doesn't she? I mean, is that the theme of this video or what? I just wanted a thicker, I just really did. And so, did I put this on backwards now? Okay. What the heck? Oh, please. She doesn't know what she's doing. I thought the thing swiveled, but God almighty. Oh, that's why this thing was so cheap. It's effed up, right? Or is it? Or is it me? God, I feel like I've been drinking. Have I been drinking? Someone slipped me a hot toddy or what? Okay. Oh, okay. So, I just wanted a thick strap to go with the monogram, the luggage tag that's on it, and I think I did a pretty good job. But yeah, girl, I think I did a pretty good job on the matchup, the chain, everything, or the strap. So yeah, that's the update on where we are with the strap. Now, trust and believe, if Fashion File has a good one and it looks good and it's affordable, I might consider putting it on, you know, layaway. But for now, so that I can carry the bag, I fixed it with a temporary situation. I found them on Etsy, but they weren't as nice, and I just took a chance from eBay. Like I said, this is for educational entertainment purposes only. Please don't. I don't condone or, you know. So anyhow, that's this strap. Okay, there's my handbag updates, my Longchamp unboxing, and my bag of the day. Some stuff that I bought from Ulta. And that's basically it from this video. So do me a huge favor, guys. If you will, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and feelings about the whole thing. Which thing did you enjoy best? I will link, of course, Simbano. Use my link and you can get 26% off of the, I am sure, I am so positive that they are having a sale right now. I 100% recommend buying the Crystal Simbano over the Prada at this point because, you know, once bitten, twice shy, I guess, you know, fool me once and all. So anyway, hey, do me a big favor though. If y'all see my husband, girl, woo-hoo-hoo, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Okay, update. So since this is handbag updates, I haven't checked her in a week. When I recorded that one video, the last one that you saw, it's been a week since I checked this one last. Let's go in the odor chamber and just see. Yeah, girl, my odor chamber. Let's see how my Dior bag is doing from the smell. Let's just take her completely out. Oh, yeah. All I can smell are the Wonder leather wafers. I cannot smell, no, I can't smell any perfume at all. So I guess I'll be doing next week, I'll do the video of how I cleaned this one up. You'll get some more odor chamber advice. But yeah, this one, she's good. Well, wait a minute. Hold on. It might be 2 weeks because I don't know. Hold up. I thought I got a whiff of Grandma Rosewater Vagine for just a minute, so I don't... Okay, I'm going to lock her up just to be safe for another week. So we'll have to wait a couple more weeks to see on this. I'm going to change the baking soda out again and try to... Okay, so there's the update on this stinky bag. Yeah, and if you don't like it, lady, there's the door. Bye, biatch.